Hi, John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Fabio. Fabio has been trading with us from the 23rd of March up until the present day of review, 30th of April 2021. Fabio has maintained a gain of 12.14%, a daily rate of 0.30%, of drawdown total of 4.34% and a monthly gain of 9.32%. Fabio has done very well, as we can see with the P&L. He's preserved the balance. He's been at a deficit of minus 4.2% of 10%, and he's had a deficit of minus 0.79% of 10%, and still preserving the balance, and the equity has just grown consistently till Fabio hit 12.14%, which is just about 2% over the 10%. And on the 28th of April, he hit the first 10%, which is 10.14%. So looking at Fabio's journey down here, we can see as of today, he just had minimal gain. As of last week, 4.41%, and of this month, 12.93%. The advanced statistics is what interests me more when I'm reviewing the account. Um, he's had a total of 90 trades. And out of 90 trades, he's been successful 30 out of 90, which represents a 33% gain, and lost 60 out of 90, which represents 67% loss. So Fabio is 33% effective with his strategy. So as I always say, and I quote on every review, you can be right or wrong in trading, but always end up in profit. It's all down to money management and low risk, high reward trades. Buy low, sell high. Buy high, sell low, so take profit. So when you buy high, you're looking when you price it to a high level, you want to sell. And when prices are a low level, you want to buy. Just basic economic supply and demand. And as we can see now, Fabio has 0.71% gain loss deficit in March and 12.93% gain in April. So Fabio has done very well over the 2 months uh, of working with the FTP program. Looking at the summary, Fabio has traded quite a few instruments, and you can see Fabio's only struggled with a few, but overall he's in profit. So Fabio, looking at your account, I'll say a few recommendations. First of all, congratulations on your achievement. Keep doing what you're doing because as you're doing before. Nothing changes. The only thing that changes in your sense is the drawdown is bigger and the lot size are bigger. So you have to adapt your strategy and lot size according to your risk profile. Control your mindset and emotions. Keep those two things in place, and your profits will always be exponential. Have a trading plan, have a goal, and more importantly, stick to the pairs that give you your consistent results. And looking at this, which is the Euro AUD, followed by the Pound AUD, followed by the Pound NZD. These pairs have given you significant gains, and these significant gains will always help you progress on your journey. So right now you're managing $30,000. So all you need to do is hit 3%, 10% to hit $3,000 to move on to 60,000. So my advice to you will always be stay focused, pay attention to detail on the market structure, the trend in play, look at the Forex economic calendar of any potential news announcements that will affect your position. And more importantly, as I look at the history of your 93 trades, always use a stop loss because a lot of traders don't use stop losses, and this opens the door to uncertainty. Uncertainty in the sense that you cannot control the trade if it goes against you. Then you have the wrong mindset and you're not in control of your emotions because your emotions are all over the place because you want to make the money back that you lost. And when you have that mindset, you're not going to see things clearly. So it's always important to control your mindset at every given time because just like any job, trading comes with risk and comes with emotions as well. Learning how to control the risks and the emotions in this business will always lead you to a profitable, consistent trader. So please bear this in mind and just learn from your mistakes. As you can see, you've had a few trades that you've held for over 4 hours, minimal deficits here and there, but overall we can see you've had quite a few deficits, but overall your gains creep up and you make your 10%. So this is a very good attempt, Fabio, on the first level. And the fact that you looking at your advanced statistics, you're only right 33% of the time. That is very inspiring for all the traders out there. You don't have to be right all the time, as you can see from Fabio's P&L. He only won 30 out of a total of 90 to hit 10%, which is a 33% effective strike rate. So this is down to a trading plan, money management, low risk, high reward trades, and discipline and consistency. So always pay attention to detail, and you're always going to be one step ahead of your trades. Also, you have to look at money management, which is key. Once you can manage risk, the profits will always be exponential. So good attempt, Fabio, and I look forward to reviewing your account on the next level, which is $60,000.